Hi guys, this is Deepak with 91mobiles.com and I am checking out the new Alcatel 5. This is a very stylish looking smartphone, really slim and hardly any bezels on the sides. The slim stylish metal body feels really nice. It's quite lightweight as well. Another highlight of the Alcatel 5 is the dual selfie camera, 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. This is a 120-degree super wide angle selfie camera with 1.4 micron pixel size. At the back, single 12 megapixel sensor along with a fingerprint scanner and flash. You can notice the brush metal finish looks really nice. Charging port at the bottom with the speaker on the left, SIM tray on the right, the power button and the volume rocker, and up top a 3.5 mm socket. This phone is powered by a MediaTek 6750 processor, 5.7-inch HD plus display, 18:9 ratio. Comes in two variants, 2 GB RAM with 16 GB storage and 3 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. Powered by a 3000 mAh battery and runs Android Nougat with Alcatel's custom skin. There's a look at the camera interface. Bunch of modes including a social mode and light trace as well. So this is Alcatel's new flagship, the Alcatel 5. Very compact, stylish. Doesn't really feel like a 5.7-inch display smartphone thanks to the lack of bezels. Even the chin at the bottom is really tiny. There is a bit of space at the top where the dual selfie cameras and the earpiece and various sensors are placed. A quick look at the new Alcatel 5. Thanks for watching.